When installing glass on a new food bar with flip-up hardware, tools needed include a T15 Torx tool, flathead screwdriver, a rubber mallet, and several ship-loose parts that are typically found in the wells on the food bar, such as a bag of set screws, pistons, and a piston tool. As the loose parts are unpackaged, set aside the glass hardware wedges and the glass. This would be a good time to measure and lay out the location for each section of glass. The first step is installing the pistons, which help to flip up the food guard glass. Insert the piston into the piston tool so that the narrow end is facing the tool's handle. Squeeze the handle of the tool and insert the end of the piston into the socket on the back side of the hardware. The narrow end is inserted into the socket connected to the portion of the hardware that flips up. Typically, there is one piston per section of glass, unless instructed otherwise by the factory. Loosen any set screws with the T15 Torx tool. You will also need the extra bag of set screws that was shipped loose with the food bar. Insert the aluminum wedge into the glass hardware. The wide end of the wedge will go in first, and make sure that the grooved side is in the up position. Make sure that the wedge is seated to the back of the clamp and that you center the wedge left to right. Add the glass gasket. Insert the correct glass panel into the glass hardware. The glass will set on top of the grooved wedge. Center the glass in the clamp. Have someone hold the glass in place as you tighten the set screws located on the bottom edge of the glass hardware. Ensure that a set screw is inserted and tightened into every hole provided. There should be anywhere from 4 to 6 set screws per section of glass. We recommend that set screws periodically be checked and tightened regularly to ensure that glass is held in place. Lower the glass and resume installing the adjoining section until all the sections of glass have been installed.